Well, not really the way you guys want to see your fish come in. I just checked my tracking info. They didn't bang on the door or nothing. We're all been in here doing water changes right by the door. But this was sitting outside. It's all wet. Let's get it open. I'll let you guys see what's going on. Yeah, definitely not what you wanted to receive. This Uncle Sam's discus. I don't know what happened. Let's hope the fish are okay. Heat pack's blazing. Well, that one's okay. Water's nice and perfect temperature. Let's see what else. That one there's moving. And that's the one that's low. Well, I'm gonna go ahead and get him out and get him in the tank, guys. You ain't gonna worry about dropping him. His bag leaked. But I'm gonna get him out and get him in the tank. I believe that one there was the one that came in with half his fin above water. The one there, and there's one over here. I'm gonna go ahead and turn the lights off, give them 3 or 4 hours. And they're kind of spooked and scared. I can't blame them. I'm gonna turn the light off. I'll check on them tomorrow. Later, buddy. How's it going, guys? This is going to discus thing. These are 3 originally had. I'm sure some hiding back here somewhere. Ain't over there, so must be by the filter. They're all hanging out over here by the filter. That's up here in the corner. All scared. They've been out eating and everything's fine. We're doing pretty good, even when it was messed up, it's doing okay. Some other pickups I got are up here. You can see them back in there. Ain't much light on this time. Here's some more wild balloons. Might have a nest back there. Can't tell what she's doing. I see some wild blood angels. We'll see. Supposed to be a pair. I'll expect them to start breeding anytime. But that's pretty much it for the new pickups. Let's look at the fish room on the next bit. Enjoy, guys.